All right, we begin with a look from Grand Forks at our Home of Economy location, and it does look beautiful, blue skies out there, but look at the flags. The wind has been ripping, and it's mainly been out of the north today as that cold front moved through. It's changed our conditions just a little bit. Now, we have managed in many spots to get back into those 60s. So we have 68 out at Hector. Look at Moorhead at your airport. It is 70 degrees. And then take a look at the winds gusting over 30 miles per hour. And right now we have that sunset taking place tonight at 8:35. Our wind is going to be with us. Many areas seeing gusts that are very healthy and over 30 miles per hour. From the valley and points west, Jamestown 70. Look at Langdon 59 there. Remember, we started the day mighty chilly, blue you might say, as we take a look out in the Badette area, 53 degrees, the cool spot in the region. Now taking a look at that radar, showing a few raindrops here, but nothing reaching the ground as per se. The clouds over the FM area do have some raindrop sized particles in them. That's why they show up on the radar from time to time. Last night we had the cold front move through. That brought our change this morning and today. The north winds behind it ushering in a colder air mass. That trend continues, particularly in our northernmost counties. But we do have a warm front poised off to the west of us. And that, as it moves through, will bring warmer weather by the time we close out our day tomorrow and then head into the weekend. However, warm fronts often come with at least a little bit of growing pains. Let's talk about that for this evening. It remains windy as you head outdoors tonight. Expect our temperatures by the 10 o'clock hour to slip down into the 40s for most, still a little milder out to the west. Now, see all these clouds out on the left-hand side of the picture? That is where the warm front will be pushing in. Because of the clouds, low temperatures overnight will not be nearly as cold, but many of us still dipping down into the 30s. Low 30s and even more 20s in store. Best chance at 20s will be shifting off to the east as we begin our day in parts of northwest Minnesota with some frigid readings there. All right, how does tomorrow fare? Well, the wind does a little bit of a switcheroo, but it does return. It gets a little breezy from the south. Now, there's the warm front coming into the picture. Increasing clouds through the morning hours, not so much so the case out to the east until the afternoon. And with the warm front, we'll see those clouds on this side of the warm front, on the cool side of the warm front, and a chance for a few showers. Winds gusting over 30 miles per hour will drive temperatures back into the 60s for many, but where the clouds and sprinkle chances are out to the east, we'll see a lot of 50s out there. Take a look at those afternoon temperatures, by the way, out in Bismarck and Minot. If you didn't see them, they get the 80s tomorrow. They'll be on the way to our area as we head into your weekend. For tomorrow morning, though, 33 chilly degrees to start in Fargo. In the lunch hour, we hit the 50s and 60s for the afternoon drive home. It'll be windy from the south. Keep that in mind. Gusts over 30 miles per hour, and we stay near 60 for most of your Friday evening plans. I cannot rule out a sprinkle in Fargo, but the best chance of that will be to the north. It will be a fair amount of cloud cover moving over the area. 50s in Lakes Country, we'll see temperatures closer to 60 or 65 for most in eastern North Dakota. Speaking of spring, joy capturing a beautiful cherry blossom here, a sign of spring. But you know what? This weekend forecast is showing me signs of summer. All right, it's going to be a whole bucket of awesome as we head into your weekend on Saturday. With 82 degrees, you may want to remember things like sunscreen and sunglasses and flip-flops. Looking awesome. Cold front does move through on Sunday. That will bring some transition, a few showers, and some of us will have falling temperatures throughout the afternoon. So it'll be even cooler up to the north, where I expect temperatures in the low 60s for the afternoon. Here in Fargo, we have a chance at 70 before things start to change. We keep that cool weather for the start of the work week on well, again, cool mornings in the 30s Monday and into Tuesday. Then a little bit of a rebound midweek as we'll expect temperatures to shoot back up into the mid 60s and upper 60s. Stacy, full bucket of awesome for Saturday. Looking good.
I just bought some sunscreen this morning, Hutch. I'm so excited.
Good. Glad you pay attention.
Yeah, I do. Listen every night.
All right.
Thanks so much, Hutch.
You bet.